Welcome to Delkevic on YouTube.
You're looking at a Suzuki SV650, fitted with a Delkevic 9-inch or 225mm stainless steel oval silencer, and in this clip, running without the noise suppressing baffle installed. Measured using standard motorsport noise testing protocols, levels are around 105 to 107 decibels without the baffle, and 103 to 105 decibels with the baffle. It's on our dyno as part of the testing and development we do for every system on every bike. Remember, no fueling modifications are necessary with any of our exhausts, you just fit and ride.